Hello, and welcome to a P11D Organiser tutorial, a quick and easy way to become a P11D expert. We will be covering these topics in today's video. Please sit back, relax, and let us do the explaining.
Sometimes it's useful to check that there are no duplicate national insurance entries within your system, as this will prevent a successful P11D submission. You can easily get duplicate NI numbers when an employee rejoins the business and is given a new payroll number. Since you will only see an issue if both employee entries have benefits assigned, we'll use the filter tools in the P11D Organiser to first find all employees with benefits assigned, and then again to restrict the list to only those employees with duplicate NI numbers. So we'll click on the Setup Filter option from the left-hand menu, which will display the filter configuration window. From here, we'll start by selecting the fourth option in the list, All Employees with Benefits. Hitting Filter will generate a list of only those employees in your system that have benefits assigned. Now we'll select the Setup Filter tool again, and at the bottom we'll change the scope to Active Lookup, which will restrict our search to just those employees with benefits, and then select the seventh option down, ensuring it is set to All Employees with Duplicate NI Numbers, and then hitting Filter again. If there are any results, these will be presented in the list. You'll see in this example that the system has found 2 employees with duplicate NI numbers and with benefits assigned, so we need to merge all the benefits onto the current or most recent employment. So we double-click on the appropriate record to display the employee details, and then select Recalculate Benefits from the Tools menu. You will then be presented a message confirming that there is a duplicate entry and asking if you want to merge the benefits. We'd answer yes, and the system will confirm the change being made. This means all the benefits are now on the single, most recent employment record. If we wanted to delete the duplicate employee from the system, we could now go back to the list by clicking the current lookup icon on the right, then highlighting the old entry and clicking the Delete button at the bottom. This only deletes the entry in the currently active tax year. Merging benefits is a one-by-one process, so we would now repeat the steps for the second employee, first merging the benefits onto one record and then deleting the duplicate employee.
Thank you for watching. For more information, you can go to our support website, support.p11dorganiser.co.uk.